Hi YouTube, welcome to another video. I'm in some beautiful woodland today. I came here last night to do a quick recce. Hang on a minute, it's raining. There we go. Yeah, I came here last night to do a quick recce of the area. And it's a pretty cool place. So I'm here today to take some photographs. So one or two people have asked me recently, why so much woodland photography? What is it about woodland photography that that attracts you so much? Okay, so this is why I very often choose woodland photography over other types of photography. So if you're into your your mountains and your grand vistas and your sort of huge landscapes and all the rest of it, there's pretty much only 3 places in the UK where you can do that with any regularity and get the best photographs, and that is Scotland, obviously, Snowdonia in Wales, and the Lake District. But yeah, they're pretty much the only 3 regions in the UK where you can get those kind of vistas and, you know, huge landscapes, dramatic, epic landscapes. Whereas if you're in a woodland, you could be anywhere. In fact, you could be anywhere in the world pretty much. An oak forest or an oak woodland in the southwest of England can look pretty similar to an oak forest in Canada or Eastern Europe or anywhere really, Germany, anywhere. Because an oak tree is an oak tree. So that's why I choose woodland photography, because it's accessible, and the actual location in terms of what country you're in doesn't really matter. Now, in terms of conditions, I've got reasonably favourable conditions today. Got very soft, subdued light. In fact, the light's pretty flat, which is kind of okay for woodland photography. That's another reason why I choose it, is because it's suitable to most conditions apart from harsh sort of late morning, midday, early afternoon sunlight, and then you get lots of horrible harsh shadows and dappled light all over the woodland floor, which doesn't look good. But on a day like today, where it's overcast, it's raining, I'm reasonably well sheltered. The light's very soft. There's no harsh shadows to deal with. So it's all good. Okay, right, what I'm going to do now is, instead of prattling on every 5 minutes. I'm just going to get on with finding some compositions, taking some photographs, vlogging it obviously, and you can just join me whilst I do that, rather than me waffling all the time.